In primetime news this evening, where's our pension? Former PCJ workers demand answers for payment delays. Students' vaccine hesitancy. Health officials say parents' anti-vaccine agenda stalling vaccination for children. And later, gun culture. Cops raise concerns as gun in Central Kingston toddler's death still not found.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and the forecast. But before all that, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, do you intend to get a COVID-19 booster shot? Why or why not? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica or tweet at TelevisionJam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.